Okay, so here we are. If your freezer has that in it, the strategy is to fix it, because that means that things are not what they're supposed to be. Basically, it's the freezer that cools down the refrigerator, if I remember correctly. So that means that the defrost thermometer of your automatic defrost freezer is not working. So you have to replace the defrost thermometer. I've done this process a couple of times, but I thought I'd take the time to share my strategy in doing this. So if you start to see this kind of on your defrost, automatic defrost freezer, if you start to see this type of behavior, that means that the defrost thermometer is not acting properly. So let me back up here, and I'm gonna get set up to let you see how I fix it. And don't forget, one important part is to remove all the food out of the freezer. And don't forget to disconnect the electricity from the freezer, because you're going to be dealing with some water, you're going to be dealing with some electrical parts, and so you'll see all that as we go through the process.